Ever wondered why some landing pages make people buy instantly while others just make them leave? It's not about luck and it's not just about design. It's about psychology. If you understand what's going on in your visitor's mind as they scroll, you can guide them to take action without being pushy. Today, I will show you exactly how to structure your landing page to work with your visitor's thought process instead of against it. By end of this video, you will know exactly what visitors are thinking at every step of your landing page, what excites them, what makes them trust you, and what makes them click that buy button. And to make sure you have everything you need, I have put together a free ebook guide with the exact strategies I use for high converting landing pages. You can grab it in the description below. I worked with a business owner who had a tons of traffic but almost zero conversions. He spent thousands on ads, but people just were not buying. His problem is his landing page was not designed for how users actually think. It was all about him, not about his audience. We restructured his landing page by using psychology-driven approach and his conversion rate jumped by 40% without increasing ad spend. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. Hey, I'm Ansif, a Webflow expert who build high converting websites for business owners just like you. If you're tired of websites that just look good but don't actually bring in sales, then hit that subscribe button because I share real strategies in upcoming videos. The first one is announcement bar for grabbing attention. At the very top of your page, you have one of the most underrated section, the announcement bar. Think of this as a first impression. You can use it to highlight a limited time offer, free shipping, or anything that grabs attention fast. Second one is hero section for first impression. Your hero section is where people decide in seconds whether they will stay or bounce. You need a clear, powerful headline that speaks directly to the problem, a sub-headline that explains the solution, and a strong CTA that tells them exactly what to do next. No fluff, no guessing, just clarity. Third section is benefit section. Why should I care? They want to know what's in it for me. Your benefit section should paint a picture of how their life or business will improve. Forget about generic features. Show them the transformation. The fourth one is product features for how does it work. Once they understand the benefits from the previous section, they start asking, but how does this actually work? Your job, make it simple. Show them step-by-step visual or a quick product demo. The easier it looks, more likely they are to take action. The fifth section is social proof for building trust. By now they are interested, but they need proof. They don't want to feel like test subjects. This is where testimonials, case studies, or influencer endorsements come in. Show them that real people trust you. The sixth one is how it works for simplifying the process. Nobody likes complicated stuff. Your how it works section should be so simple that a kid could understand it. If your process looks confusing, people will bounce. But if it looks easy, they will think I can do this. Seventh section is CTA, also known as call to action, which means encourage visitors to take action. Now that you know how visitors think as they scroll, it's time to apply this to your website. To make things easy for you, I have put together a free ebook guide that walks you through all these strategies step by step. Grab your copy in the description below. And before you go, tell me in the comments what's the biggest challenge you face in the landing pages. I would love to help. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more conversion focused strategies, and I will see you in the next one.